Hello guys, my name is Fernando Torres and last month I made over $5,000 with something called Amazon FBA. If you wanna know how, check it out. Welcome to my channel, my name is Fernando Torres, and if you wanna know how to make money online but you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing it so you don't miss anything. So today I'm going to tell you how I made over $5,000 last month with my first product selling on Amazon FBA. So let's get started. So the first thing that I did, it was watching YouTube videos. So I heard a lot of people making money with this on YouTube. There were many people out there saying that they were making over 100K or 200K, even 1 million per year. And I just wanted to make sure how this Amazon thing works. And I watched a lot of YouTube videos. I wanted to do a course, invest in a course, but I didn't. I just watched a lot of YouTube videos, different channels, different people, amazing people that I could get a lot of good information with them. That was the first thing that I did. The second thing was my product research. So in my product research, I was asking me these questions such as what is selling on Amazon right now. So I searched on Google top 100 products selling on Amazon 2017. That's how I figured out what was selling on that year. I keep searching 100 more. So I found something that I did like and it was selling. So I went to the first page. Let's say that I'm selling sunglasses. So I went to Amazon.com. I put sunglasses, aviator sunglasses, and in the first page I saw the reviews. So the reviews I saw, it was like less than 500. I do not recommend going above that because that's a lot of competition. So the first page, it was like, I don't know, 200, 350, 150 or something like that. So it was a good product. So I wanted to make sure it was actually selling as well. So I clicked on one of them in the first page. I went to something called product information. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, before reviews but after the description, there is something called product information. And in product information, it says the bestseller rank. So the bestseller rank, I was looking something before 500 and 5,000. That one was like 3,500, something like that. And the less the number, the higher the sales per month. The higher the number, the lower the sales per month. So they were selling a lot of units in 1 month. So I say, okay, this is good, this is selling. And after I did my product research, or I did my target marketing analysis. So in my target marketing analysis, I was asking questions such as who buys more, what age, how often is my product consumable, it's just one-time buy. For example, let's say I was selling pants. So pants is consumable because you use it like for, I don't know, 2 weeks, 1 month or something like that, and you gotta buy another one, right? So that's consumable. My product was consumable as well. So after I did my target marketing analysis, I said, okay, I watched a lot of YouTube videos. I got the information in here. So I got my product research. I know this product is gonna sell. I know who is going to buy it. I know how many times they are going to buy it. I know all that kind of stuff. So now I'm gonna find the supplier. So that was my third step, find the supplier. I went to a page called Alibaba.com. I have a video explaining in more detail how to find a supplier. You can watch it. If you understand, you can ask me for make another one more in depth. I'm down to that. So but that's what I did. I went to Alibaba.com. I searched for my product. I looked for the supplier. Yes, I asked for a quote. It was very hard because I wanted high quality and I wanted something that is all in one. All in one means that they take care of the shipping, they take care of the packaging, they take care of everything. Obviously, you have to pay extra money for the shipping because FedEx or UPC are the ones who are going to send it, but they are the ones who are packaging everything and putting into the FedEx or UPC hands, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't have to worry about anything like that. I have to pay, and they take care of everything. So yes, my product was a bit higher in price, but it was the highest quality. They take care of everything, and it was a great experience. So yes, that was my third step, finding the supplier. And after that, I was creating my Amazon seller account. And this is very important because while I was talking with the supplier, I was creating my account, creating the inbound shipping. The inbound shipping is when the supplier have to send the product to the Amazon warehouse, right? But you don't know which warehouse of many they have in USA they're going to send it until you do your inbound shipment. So I did my inbound shipment. They asked me for a UPC. UPC, I can explain you that in the comments below. It's the universal product code that is no more than what identifies the product. So let's say I'm selling pens. So in the package of the pen, there is the barcode that it identifies this kind of pen is unique. So since your product is gonna be unique, it's gonna be a new brand, you have to buy UPC code. So that's what I did. I create the listing, the bullet points, the description, the pictures. I ask a friend for the picture and all that kind of stuff. And after that, I launched my product. So when I launched my product, it's not something like, oh, I cut a tape or something like that and I launched my product. No, when I launched my product, I mean, I contacted around 10 to 15 friends. 5 of them bought the product, they tried it out, and they left a review. So that review is very helpful. First of all, the purchase is very helpful because Amazon knows, the algorithm of Amazon is seeing that you are actually selling. The reviews are verified reviews. Sorry, so that helps you, or that helps the other customer to trust in your product and then buy it. So the other 5, since I'm living in Canada, they couldn't, or they weren't able to buy it. So they just left the review for me as a unverified review, but that works as well. So I had around 10 reviews, and that's how after that I run, this is very, very important, I run PPC. PPC is pay-per-click. Literally 1 week after I went to Miami, I was like, I went to Miami to having a good time there, and with the PPC and everything all set up, I just searched in my phone the Amazon app, and I was selling like 5, 6, 8, 10. One day I saw 15. So that month I made over $5,500. I think I'm gonna put it somewhere here so you can see it. That was my total revenue. Profit of that, it was 30%, which is pretty good because it was actually like 50% of what I invested. I'm very happy for that. I was running out of stock in the first week of January. I contacted the supplier to send me more inventory, and right now I'm just thinking about launching another product. Because the thing is that once you have everything, once you have your listing, once you have your supplier, once you have your product, once you have your account, once you have everything covered, you have to restock. That's it. So once you are in that point of just worrying about restocking, then you can launch another product and do the same. Invest, I don't know, 1 to 2 weeks doing all this product research, find the supplier, creating the listing, all that stuff, 1 to 2 weeks, and then that's it. You do it again, you do it again, and you do it again. At the end of the day, at the end of 6 months or something, you're gonna have 4 to 5 different products making you over $1,000. Maybe this one is the strongest one making you 3,000. Maybe this one is the lowest one, the weakest one making you 500. But you have like varieties. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you got some value from it, and take care.